Hello, travel agents, and welcome back to another travel agent training video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a stateroom booking for the supplier Virgin Voyages. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Zor'A. I am the CEO and regional trainer for Zor'A's Travel Bliss LLC. We are a travel and host agency. We are looking for travel agents. If you are interested in becoming a travel agent, please visit zora'stravelbliss.info to get started. Now let's go ahead and hop into today's video. The first thing you want to do before you complete any bookings is make sure that you completed the supplier's training. So complete your Virgin Voyages training. You're going to log into your travel agent dashboard for Virgin Voyages. You're going to go to book. Here is where you can put in your client's information, the club number, first name, middle name, last name, gender, age. For Virgin Voyages, you must be 18 or older, and the seller type. First thing I like to do when booking is I like to skip this part and go to continue. You can search by brand, ship, the month, year, destination, port from, port to, and the dates. The trip duration, they have 2 to 5 day cruises, 6 to 9 days, and 10 days plus. Duration, duration max. Any promotions will be here. Reserve type, classification code, and currency. Here you will find your agency's information as well as your name. So I am going to start off this booking by searching for a ship. We are going to do the Scarlet Lady, but they have the Brilliant Lady, Resistant Lady, Scarlet, and Valiant Lady. So we're going to do the Scarlet Ladies for today's training. And we are going to put in the dates. Let's go for August. August 19th to the 31st. And we are going to do a 6 to 9 day cruise, and we're going to click search. All right, so this is the one that they have for this date. Departure date is Sunday, August 25th, 2024 at 6 p.m. Going to Barcelona. End date is Sunday, September 1st, 2024, 6:30 a.m. Price per room is $2,490. And this is a limited time offer. And when you click on limited time offer, it states percent off. So let's go ahead and select this one, and then you're going to go down to continue. And the next section is going to show you your cabins. Also notice here it has added on different tabs. At first it was only these two. Now we have more. Here you will find your voyage number, your ship, voyage name, duration, departure, and arrival. The bottom of this screen, it will show your cruise total so far. Now let's go through the staterooms. They have the Fab Suite, Posh Suite, and Gorgeous Suite. As you can see, the prices are pretty high, $17,000. So let's keep going. Rockstar Quarters, $7,000 per room. Sea Terrace, they have extra large Sea Terrace Central, the Sea Terrace. Then we have a Sea View, and then we have an interior insider room. So we are going to go with the, let's see, we're going to do the Sea Terrace. And as you can see, when you click on it, you get to see the inside view of the stateroom, which is very, very nice. Yeah, so we're going to do the Sea Terrace. And let's get one room. You're going to go down and click continue. And if you notice at the bottom, the price is reflecting what we just added. Booking number is new. First mate reference number. You can click here and edit that. And the status is shopping. Here you'll find your agency's information. And here is where you can go back and click on this edit icon, and then you can put in your seller's information. But I like to search for this ship first and then go back and add my client's information in. Now we can see the cabin information. You do have the option to search for flights. All you would do is select the air tab, click on the edit button. Click on search. You would input the information of where the client is flying from, flying to, arrival date, arrive time. This is for outbound, and then you have one for the return date, and then you would search. Let's see if I can give you an example. All right, and here you will see the airline name, United Airlines, and your flight information to book for your client. You will find that here. And we're just going to go back and keep going through the tabs. All right, the next tab that we have is Voyage Protection. So this is going to be your cruise protection for your client. You would click on the edit button. And if you wanted to add on the Voyage Protection, it will be $117 US per person. And you would click continue. And it will add it down to the fare. Next option is special request. Click on edit. And as you can see, it has different types of requests that you can add on. If you want the hotel split bed request, rollaway bed, if your client has any types of allergies, they have a CPAP machine, if they're diabetic, milestones. Is it going to be an anniversary trip for your client, bachelor party, birthday, honeymoon, preferences, mega rock star mini bar, seller has declined transfer, special request, a splash for your bash brunch request, back to back, interested in air program, special disembarkation, special embarkation. Okay, so here you can add on your special request for your clients. In the next section, we have Sure Things, which will be your excursions. You will click on the Edit tab. Okay, and here's the add-on section. I'm sorry, the Sure Thing is where you have your excursion. The add-on is for your gratuities. And as you can see, this is locked because it's already added into the fare. All right, Sure Things is going to be for your excursions. You would go in, put in your dates. You can also match the itinerary and then search. Next thing you have is onboard activities. Again, you would do the same thing. Put in your dates, port, package type, and search. Next section is eateries. All right, your guest information, date, the party size. You can select the guest, preferred time, show availability. Okay. Your next tab is going to be hotels. You can look for hotels for your client by putting in your dates, the number of nights, the city, and then clicking search. Last section is just going to be the summary of everything. And again, you can find the summary here. So don't forget to go back in if you didn't do this in the beginning and add your clients' names, your sailors. So you're going to click on this edit tab. Going to select the gender. Going to put in the birth date. Your client's type, citizenship, United States, or place of birth, email, phone number. All right, so you would just go through and put in all this information. And then after you save and continue, you will see the names change here into your client's names. If you click on invoice total, It's going to give you a breakdown of everything. So you have your insurance, voyage fare, the discount. That's a nice discount. Taxes and fees, invoice total, payment 0, refund 0. Here you have your guest payment schedule. Payment due date is 6/1/2024 by 11:59 p.m. And then that is everything. It does says as an agency, you are responsible for paying the net total of this reservation. Okay. So I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed today's training video, please like the video and consider subscribing. If there is a supplier, travel agency supplier that you would like for me to cover, please comment down below. And thank you for watching this week's training video. Until next time, bye-bye.